Good morning, friends. For today's morning bin activity, we're going to do some Q-tip painting. So you have a pencil or a bus. All right, so we have some Q-tips, and then I'm going to use paint. If you don't have paint, you could color in the little dots with a marker or a crayon or a colored pencil. So there's lots of different options. So I'm going to use my Q-tips, and I put a little bit of red and white paint together, and that's going to make pink. So a little bit of pink in case I want to dot my eraser pink. Now remember, you might have a school bus. There were two different ones that I gave you. Okay, so I'm going to start with a little bit of pink for the eraser, and I'm just going to dot nicely in. See how I'm staying inside my dot for my dot painting? So I'm dotting nicely inside to make my eraser on my pencil pink. Okay. Dot, dot, dot. And doing my pink eraser. Okay. Now I'm going to switch colors. And I'm going to use yellow to dot the pencil. So see how I'm taking my time and dotting inside the circle? Now, friends, I'm going to use a little bit of orange because I don't have a tan color. I'm going to dot down here orange. You can use a tan color if you want for this part of the pencil, those parts that you usually would. So I'm going to dot, see how I'm staying inside. Okay, now you're going to make sure you fill in all of the dots for your pencil, or remember, some of you might have a school bus. All right, friends, have fun doing your morning bin.